hands to wall, improve your level line dance. Starting with the left foot. Section 1, weight is on the right. Forward rock, left, lock, step back. Rock forward on left, recover onto right. Step back on left, cross step right, over left, step back on left. Back rock, 2 half turns left. Rock back on right, recover onto left. Half left back on right, half left stepping forward on left. Section 2, right foot, forward rock, recover. Right, toes to cross, back, together, cross. Side rock, cross, shuffle. Rock step left to left side, recover onto right, cross, side, cross. Section 3, side together, sachet, quarter right. Side together, quarter right, stepping forward on right foot, facing 3. Step, pivot, half turn right. For left foot, pivot half turn right, weight onto the right, facing 9. Shuffle forward on left, right, left. Section 4, step, half turn back. Step forward right, half turn right, step back on left. Right, coaster step. Step forward left, half turn left, step back on right. Left, coaster cross. Back, together, cross. Section 5, sachet right, back rock. Side shuffle on right, left, right. Rock back, left, recover onto right. Sachet left on left, right, left. Right foot, back rock. Rock back, recover onto left. Section 6, side behind ball cross. Step right foot to right side, step left behind right, step on ball of right, cross at left. Quarter right, step forward on right foot, facing 12, step forward left, pivot half turn right, weight onto the right foot, facing 6, walk forward 2 steps, on left, right. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,